Here's a cool motorized toy here. This is my 50cc bare naked scoot bobber Ruckus wannabe clone badass little toy that I made, okay? Started with the Amigo Magari. I decided, hey, I'm gonna make me a little bobber scoot like the Ruckuses. I've got the 80cc big bore kit, said 100cc, but hey, if you do the math, it's 80cc. I'll have links below for all the goodies that I put on this bad boy here. I've got the air horn on it. I want people to hear me coming, okay? This sucker is loud. Promise. You can hear me coming. The microphone kind of, on the camera, kind of drowned it out there, but trust me, it'll knock your fillings out. Okay, so, vented the clutch there. Keep the clutch from getting nice and hot. I run the dog snot out of this thing here. It's fun. It'll hit about 48 miles an hour with my fat butt on it, giving a little bit here. It'll get up to about 40, 45-ish pretty doggone quick. This is the blue CDI on there is the racing CDI. Doesn't run so good. I was having some issues with a little bit of backfiring, and I put the original CDI on it, and it seemed to run better with less backfiring and good power. Unfortunately, I made a dumb mistake. See that engine there? Yep, that's also a ticking time bomb. I adjusted the valve lash, and then I went to go back to readjust it, and the nut and the tappet thingy was missing. It's not there. Had to go somewhere. I know it's in the crankcase somehow. Somehow it made it through the timing chain and got down into the crankcase. And maybe it's just going to sit there. We're going to find out. Might grenade the engine. So we'll know here. I love the acceleration of it. Love the sound of it. I think it looks pretty cool. It's so ugly it is cool. Have the vintage Coke bottle grips. I got my little highway bars on it. Got the bobber seat on it. We put the big bore kit with the upgraded carb on it. Upgraded cam, exhaust, clutch, 6-gram variator weights on it. The leather tool pouch there, that holds some of the front wiring harness there where a bunch of stuff comes together. Fun little bike. I don't know if I'm going to put a front fender on it or not. I'm not really looking for something to run around in the rain. I just run around my little neighborhood here, go to the grocery store and back. No muss, no fuss. If it looks like rain, I'm not going to go out in this thing here. I'll put links down below for all the goodies that I got for it. If you got any questions, put them down there. Check out my Facebook group. Got a link down there for that. A lot more scooter fun and games to come. Still going to play with the motorized bikes. I want to thank you for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe. Take care.